Alright, class, it's Wednesday. Make sure you have your name at the top of the paper. We got Power Up F today. It's multiplication. 7 times 9 is 63. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. You got it. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 times 6 is 36. All right. Letter A here. It says, how many months are in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? Let's do 1 year first. How many months are in 1 year? Well, there's 12 months in a year, so 1 year is 12 months. So 2 years would be 2 times 12, or 24. 3 years would be 3 times 12. And if you don't know that, take 12 and take it times 3. And you would get a 6, 3, 36. And then 4 years. And if you're checking your 12s column out, it's 12, 24, 36, 48. I'm going to write it like this. 12M, 24M, 36M, and 48M. M for months. It usually means meters, but we could never have fit it all in there. All right, look at B. How many days are in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? Okay, well, 1 week equals 7 days. 2 times 7 is, good, 14. 3 times 7 is, good, 21. And 4 times 7 is 20. And these would be days. 7D, 14D, 21D, and 28D. Only way we were going to fit it in there is abbreviate. Okay? C. We got 24 times 10. Hang that 0 out. Bring that 0 down. 240. Now you got 24 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 down, 2 up. 6 times 2 is 12. Help yourself. 13, 14. 144. All right, we're on to E. Now we got our halves. Here, 1/2 of 100 cents. So when you got a half, we're going to divide by the bottom. So you got 100 divided by 2. You probably should all know what a half of $1 is. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, you get 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. And so half of $1 is 50 cents. What's 1/4 of $1? Well, we're going to divide by 4. 4 into 100. How many times does 4 go into 10? 2 times. Second step, multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. 2. Bring down my 0. How many times does 4 go into 20? 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. You get 0, 25 cents. You probably knew 4 quarters in $1. Now this one wants you to take, when you divide it by 4, multiply it by 3. So we already divided by 4 when we said 25. So let's take 25 times 3. So 1/4 times 3, or you have 3/4. Hopefully you can figure that one out. 3 times 5 is 15, 5 down, 1 up. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 75 cents. H is kind of short today. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 minus 1 equals 35. And 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Choose an appropriate problem-solving strategy to solve this problem. Use digits 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to set up the subtraction problem. Now, subtraction problem, you're going to have a bigger number on top minus a smaller number. We've got our same numbers as yesterday. All right, well, I'm going to find my pencil because I'm going to have to guess and check. If I put a 9 minus an 8, I'll get a 1. That won't work. What about a 9 minus a 5? I'll give me a 4. Okay, so the big won't work good in there. So we might have got to reverse our thinking. Maybe we got to put a 5 here minus a 7 and borrow. And if we borrow, maybe we put an 8 there. Borrow that, we got 15 minus 7 is 8. Nope, that doesn't work because I put an 8 there. Maybe I should put the 9 there. Cross out the 9, make it an 8. 8 minus nothing is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. So that did not work for me. So we're going to guess and check. I'm going to guess again. We're just going to keep trying until we get it. What if we change this around to a 95 minus, let's put the 8 there. We had a 7 there. Let's put a 6 there. That would give us a 9. We get rid of the 9 here and put an 8 there, and then put the 7 there. Now we got it. 8, cross it out, make it a 7. 15 minus 6 is 9. 7, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 85 minus 6 equals 79. Okay? All right. We're going to flip that over today. We have just 3 examples. We'll still divide it into 6ths today. All right, guys.